Hey everybody, my name is Omar Akkad and I'm reviewing the Garmin 405CX Forerunner watch for the Globe and Mail gift guide. This is a $460 watch and it's towards the sort of high end of the spectrum even for heart rate monitors and sort of fitness monitoring watches. So the first thing you'll notice is that it comes with a heart rate monitor. It isn't actually all that uncomfortable. I tried it the other day. You sort of notice that it's there, but it's not the end of the world. And what it does is it transmits your heart rate information to the watch. But what this does is it also has GPS. Garmin is a big maker of GPS software and hardware. And what it does is it monitors where you are, where you're going. It takes readings every few seconds. It also monitors your calories burned, your ascent, your descent, how fast you're going. It sets laps, so you can, for example, set goals for yourself. And what it'll do is it'll display this thing it calls a virtual partner. And the virtual partner will sort of race alongside you on the watch display, and it'll tell you how far behind you are. So it's pretty easy to use. Basically, it uses an iPod-style sort of scroll wheel, where a single touch will bring up a menu, and there's 4 menus on each of the sort of compass points. If you hit it in 2 locations at once, it'll bring up the backlight, and then you can also sort of scroll just by moving your finger around, the same way you would just control, say, the volume on your iPod. Simple touch of any one of the single menu buttons will bring up how much battery life it has. Because it has a computer in there, you'll need to charge it pretty regularly, but it'll definitely last for sort of a day's worth of working out. On its own. It comes with a Wi-Fi reception USB key. So what happens is you plug in that USB key in your computer and it'll download your data wirelessly when you get back home from working out. The downside is the price. It is incredibly expensive. It's more expensive than every other item in the fitness category of the gift guide this year. The other big drawback is that you really have to learn what this can do. It's not the kind of thing where you can just sort of take it out of the box and take it for a run and use all of its functions. But other than that, it really is towards the sort of top end of the market for this growing field of fitness metrics. So if that's the kind of thing you're looking for, I highly recommend the Forerunner. For the Globe and Mail Tech Gift Guide, I'm Omar Akkad.